Hello everybody, it's Kris and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to share how I keep all of my baby's things organized. Babies have a lot of little things and I feel like as a new mom, having her things organized has made the transition into motherhood rather smooth. So let's just get into it. So I'll start off with the dresser. This is an IKEA dresser. I'll leave the name of it on the screen somewhere. I was either going to get this one or there's one that's similar, it's just a little bit longer, but this one is actually the perfect size for her room. So we went with this one, and it didn't come with these brown knobs. I believe the knobs, if you hear noises, it's the baby. These brown wooden knobs are also from IKEA. They didn't come with the dresser, but I wanted them to be brown to kind of match the rest of her room. They were really affordable. I'll leave the prices of everything down below in the description. We use this dresser to hold a lot of her things, and it also doubles as a changing station for her. So this changing pad is the Munchkin changing pad. It's from Target. I have 3 different covers for this pad. One is gray, one is brown, one is pink, and I got these from Amazon. So we have the changing pad here, and then beside it I just keep some hand sanitizer, and then this basket is super cute. It is from Target. I'll link it if it's still available. Oh, hey girl. So yes, basket from Target, and then I just keep her lotion in here. This is a different type of lotion, and then these all-purpose wipes that do not have any harsh chemicals in it. So I like to keep these if I need to wipe anything down. This is a changing mat. It's wipeable, so I really like it, and it's also pretty large, so you can take it anywhere in the house, set it up here. It's just nice to have changing mats because you never know where you're gonna need to do a change. This is a really nice one from Amazon. I will link that as well. This is what I have in the top drawer. These drawer organizers are incredible. I love them so much. They're from Amazon. This is actually how they look, and you just zip it down at the bottom to get it to be structured. I also really like the shapes that they come in, so you can have a large square like this one. These are 2 rectangular shapes, and then the smaller square. So if you want everything to kind of line up and match like I have it here, then you can just kind of, you know, play around with it, mix and match, and do whatever works best for the items that you have to organize. So this first section is just diapers, and then we have wipes on the side. It obviously made sense to keep these up here at the top since this is where we change her the majority of the time. So we put them here. So here we have Burp Cloths. These ones are my favorite. They're from Amazon. They're like that muslin material. I believe that's what you call it. And then these are also from Amazon. The colorful ones were gifted. I think they are Carter's from Target. And then these are also gifted. Real quick, I'll show what these look like. So they're very large, as you can see, and then the material is very soft and it's absorbent. So that's my favorite part about these ones, is they absorb all the spit up and whatever else really well. My baby is talking up a storm. So underneath the Burp Cloths, I just keep random things like Tylenol, gas drops. We have some Aquaphor right here. This is the baby Aquaphor. Her nose Frida saline spray. And then this is the snot sucker part that goes to the spray. Highly recommend this. It's a bit of a weird, kind of gross concept, but the snot actually doesn't go into your mouth, and it really works, really gets the boogers out. So I love this. Here is the nail clipper that goes inside of this. This is what I use to cut her nails, and I love it. For whatever reason, she'll just sit there with no problem and let me cut her nails. She doesn't mind it. It's actually not scary at all to use, and this part is very, very soft. This is a must-have. It's also from Amazon. This section is bows. Obviously, a girl's got to have options, you know, so she has a lot of them. There she is again in the background, which is why I wanted to use a large square for all of her bows. So we could see them all and go through them. And then we've got a little comb here and a brush. In the back, these are just diaper samples, more bows. Told you she has a lot of bows. And then we usually keep like extra wipes back here in this section. In the second drawer, we have 2 large squares and then 2 small ones on the other side and 1 rectangle, which we'll get to. But in this first large one, over here are all of her sleepers. So this first row here, those are all newborn, which I actually need to put away because she can no longer fit them. And then these are all 0 to 3 months. And then in this middle one, we just have a bunch of different onesies. I thought it made the most sense to split up the sleepers from the onesies. These obviously take up a little bit more space, but with them folded this way, you can kind of stack them pretty easily. So I will show how I fold these at the end of this video. In this square, we have socks and these little booties, which I am obsessed with. These are, I got these from Target, and I'm pretty sure they're Carter's. I love these so much. The little square next to it has all of her hats, and these bring me back to her hospital fresh newborn stage. We actually put her in this one for her first outfit, and everyone loved it. Every nurse, every doctor, literally everybody that came into our room complimented us on these hats, and I think they are so beautiful. They're from Amazon. It's gonna be hard to put these away because it just means she's getting bigger, but yeah, I will link those. If you know of anybody having a baby, I think that's a great gift for a little girl. This little rectangle right here has her little pants or leggings, whatever you want to call them. But this is what I was talking about with the different shapes. So see how you have the 2 squares here, but it lines up with the rectangle, you know, that way everything is in a line, symmetrical, organized. Love that. In the back are swaddles. So this is the Love to Dream one. These are the Velcro ones. We are getting ready to transition her out of swaddling, so probably won't be needing those for much longer. So in the last drawer, I have a mixture of all of the different compartment shapes. To the left are 3 to 6 months onesies, and then this middle section is sleepers, and then there's also some tights over there. So in this one, I have random samples. So there's samples of some wipes. There's Honest wipes, water wipes, just different samples of things. This is the Nose Frida Snot Sucker that I was talking about. You know, the one where you suck all the snot out of your baby's nose. I actually really love this. Next is some stuff for breastfeeding. So I do have some breast pump wipes. I haven't used these yet, but I will be very soon because I'll be pumping more. And these are nursing pads. I've already gone through a box of these, so this is my second box. Definitely have to have these. These come in handy. Over here are some covers. So I've got a nursing cover, car seat cover, just covers for different things. And then back here are her monthly milestone plaques. I actually looked up and found these from, I believe it was Marshall's for $6. So these are her size dividers for her clothes in the closet. And then these little bags are little diaper bags for her little diaper dispenser that we keep in her diaper bag. So these are diaper bags that go in your diaper bag. These are the covers for her changing pad. So there's the brown one, the pink one, and then these are the little changing pad liners that you can put on top of your changing pad, Amazon. And then back here are random little baby things that we have not opened yet. So that is everything in these drawers. So for the closet, these are some of the things that I hung up, and then these are the little clothing size dividers from Amazon. These are 2 baskets from TJ Maxx, I believe, and this one is just a bunch of blankets. This one has, what's in here? Bath stuff. So this is how I fold her sleepers. So I just take like that. So I just half it first, and then take the longest section, fold it once, take the arms, tuck it in, and fold it again. And then you squeeze it, and you can place it in the organizer like this. Now to fold the onesies, I went ahead and took all of her newborn onesies out. So now that there's less, I wanted to do the rolling folding method. So I'm gonna show how I do that real quick using this one. Unbutton it, and then you just fold it in half. Fold it over again, and then just roll from the top of the onesie, and then you have it rolled like this. You could snap this and actually start from the reverse side, but I like it unsnapped because you're gonna have to put it on the baby anyway, so I just leave it unsnapped. So for this one, I am gonna leave it like this. So instead of rolling it all the way, I just kind of left it open just so I can see the wording on it, and that way I know it's not a plain white onesie. So this is how I have some of her things organized. It's worked really well, made the transition into being a mom and having a lot of baby things pretty smooth. With the drawers, I'll go ahead and get rid of all of the newborn size items since she no longer fits them. And then once she can fit 3 to 6 months, I'll move those up to the middle, and I will just leave the bottom drawer for just kind of random things. So maybe I can put blankets or, you know, whatever else in the bottom drawer. But I think just having the one drawer of clothing should be good. And then of course we can hang up any of the clothes that need to be hung in the closet. Thank you so much for watching. Mom life is incredible. It's amazing. I'm so glad to have this space to share this journey and be able to look back on all of these fun, cute times in the future. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next one.